Hello, this is CE Gaming, and sitting right next to me is Pro Mode Beast.
Hello.
And today is all about the explosions. That's all it's about. It's about this.
2
And
stars.
that. Yep.
3.
And as you can see, it's complete chaos. Whoa.
Oh, wasted.
That was some good. That was good, though. How many? I think I only have one grenade left.
Use cheats.
I don't have it memorized.
Oh, use my phone. Just don't go on my Snapchat. Because you know why.
Yeah, I know. Can you? Yeah, you can. All right, I found him. Never mind.
Where's my phone at?
38.
Alright. 1738.
Were you counting it to be that? Alright. Here, Promo Beast. And like I said, today is all about the explosions. Hey, Promo Beast.
Yeah.
Tell me when that hits 10 minutes.
Alright. It's not even at 2 minutes yet.
But that first minute was good. It was awesome. Now let's just take. Sorry. You shouldn't jump out of a moving vehicle.
Real idiot.
What the? Yeah. Yeah. Some good music.
No.
I don't know if they can hear over the phone.
You can turn it up. There we go.
Now can you guys hear it?
Kid, they're not gonna answer you. You know that, right?
Yeah, no. There's gonna be like a bunch of people answering in the comments. Alright, hey, stop. This is the police. It's the police. Thank you.
Oh, crap. Let's roll.
I think he is dead. Maybe. I don't know. No. Alright, over here. No,
Oh, did you tell them that the video might stop because of storage?
Yeah. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. Yeah, what he said. It might stop because of storage, because I'm not sure how much storage is needed for 10 minutes, like it used to when I was earlier in my career.
Okay, you're still early in your career.
Hey, this is my 29th video.
Oh yeah, guys, go subscribe to Pro Mode Beast.
Totally.
That's me, just so you know. Bam!
Today, like I said, is about the explosions and the craziness and the lag and me getting killed. Bye-bye. And cops.
Boom!
And other stuff.
Oh yeah, CE.
Yeah.
Are we gonna make a channel besides our gaming ones for like challenges and stuff?
Maybe. What type of challenges do you mean?
Like I don't know, just doing stupid stuff.
Why couldn't we put that on this channel?
Maybe because your channel name is CE Gaming. I mean, mine is Pro Mode B, so I could probably do it on mine. But I think I should have a channel just for gaming. Wasted.
Well, we can do funny stuff in gaming.
Yeah.
Or we could. Oh, I got a good thing to do.
What?
We should like have like a Nerf gun fight and then like show it on camera. Like,
that'd be stupid.
GoPros.
No, I'm kidding.
We need GoPros.
Oh yeah, that'd be cool. And then we could put them on each channel. Like I could put mine on my channel, and you could put yours on yours.
Hey, camper, get back here. What did I say? No.
Shoot him. Bam.
What? Oh.
Oh, he dropped 2 money.
Alright. This guy was doing something back there. I don't know what it was, but he was doing something. I wasn't supposed to. No one has this much money.
No one has. Are you kidding me? No one has $23.
Nope. Everyone in this game is broke. Well, not like
Yeah,
that.
I know. Usually it's like 13, but or 12. But how much do you have?
A lot.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Hey, who said you could drive?
Ooh.
Not even close. Is that closer?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Explosions. Hey, Pro Mode Beast.
Yeah.
When do we think we'll get our 100th video?
When do you think I will?
Yes.
Probably in like, I don't know, maybe around November. I might make mine before that, actually.
I'll probably get 200 by the time you get to 100.
Yeah, I'm gonna start making a lot more videos.
Hey, Pro Mode, what's it at?
7 minutes and 45 seconds. 7:48, 7:49.
Right.
17:38.
Yeah. Wait, the door's up there.
Where?
The door's up there. And how am I not dead? Now I am. Wow. Alright. How's that camera view looking?
Pretty good.
That's good. Come on. Come on. I want to kick some more people's butts. And I want to die a couple more times so you guys get to see me die. Alright. Yeah, I love this gun. There's also, where's, here it is. Here's my second favorite gun. Alright, well, after I die one more time, I think that'll be the end, but until then. What? See that?
He knew you was punk. Boom.
I didn't do it.
Yes, you did.
I didn't do that. He did that on his own.
I didn't do that.
Will you guys catch a grenade for me?
I'll catch a grenade for ya. Oh. Dead. Red Dead Redemption.
Alright, well, I'll see you guys in the next video.
Peace.